Hello everyone, we have with us here Mrs. Pal. She is the director of the Polykids Chhattisgarh branch, running successfully. She has been into education line for more than 36 years. पहले मैम टीचिंग करती थी यहाँ पर देहरादून के एक मोस्ट renowned school रिवरडेल में, फिर उसके बाद समर वैली में she was a principal also. Now she is running her own school. Welcome ma'am to this
Thank you so much.
conversation. तो I want to know from you कि एज अ टीचर भी आपने काम किया, एज अ प्रिंसिपल व्हेन यू वर मैनेजिंग अ टीम ऑफ टीचर्स वो भी काम किया है आपने, एंड नाउ एज अ स्कूल ओनर, डायरेक्टर ऑफ ए स्कूल. तो हाउ डू यू थिंक कि क्या डिफरेंस हुआ है थिंकिंग में जब हम टीचर थे या प्रिंसिपल थे और अब एक स्कूल ओनर है? तो व्हाट इज द पर्सपेक्टिव या डिफरेंस इन द थिंकिंग?
As a teacher, you are only doing your work. You are not worried about the management. You are not worried about the expenses. You're not worried about other things. As a teacher, you are only finishing your work. Afternoon, you pack up everything and you go. Rest of the things the management looks into. When you come to the other side of the table, then you are managing a bunch of teachers who are doing their job, who are not doing their job, and how are they doing their job. So you have other perspective changes completely. Now, as a principal, I have too many good and bad experiences, which is really helping me being a owner of a school, because now I know what the teachers are doing in the classroom and what the principal is doing in the office. I know how can it be managed, and this is really helpful. Like you know all three parts. So for teachers, I know where they are lacking, where can they lack. For principal, what she is not doing or what she can do to help teachers work. So these things are really helping me run the school. So this is very a good experience.
Now for our school teachers only, she opened her own branch. उसके बाद now when we see the things now as a teacher, I observed that कभी हम छुट्टी वाले दिन बुला लेते थे तो they used to little bit creep. हाँ, ये छुट्टी वाले दिन क्यों बुला लिया, आज हमारे को extended hours में क्यों रोक लिया. And when she is herself running a school, तो कई बार ऐसे होता है कि हम यहाँ से बोल देंगे मैम छोड़ो ऑफ कर दो आज, अरे नहीं बहुत सारा काम पेंडिंग है, कौन निपटाएगा. तो वो पर्सपेक्टिव ही चेंज हो गया. हमने कहा तब तो आप कहते थे कि भाई छुट्टी वाले दिन हमारी छुट्टी होनी चाहिए, अब आप खुद बुला रहे हो हमें.
So it happens, you know. But then at the same time you think about the teachers requirement also.
मुझे ये लगता है कि जो थिंकिंग आपकी एज अ टीचर रही होगी तो उस टाइम आपको कुछ चैलेंजेस फेस करते थे कि ये प्रॉब्लम मेरे को आती है एज ए टीचर, या मैनेजमेंट मेरी नहीं सुन पा रहा है, या कहाँ पे हम लोगों को किस चीजों में प्रॉब्लम आती है. तो वो चीजें when you become a school owner probably you know.
Yeah, I mean that helps. Because now I know
कि ये टीचर यहाँ फंस गई होगी,
टीचर यहाँ फंस गई है, टीचर को हेल्प चाहिए, या टीचर अगर मैं उसको 4 बजे तक रख रही हूँ तो उसको क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रही होगी, कि वो क्या सोच रही है, उसको घर जाना है, जल्दी जाना है घर में. So that I can relate to. कि ये मेरे साथ भी हो चुका है, तो मैं समझ पा रही हूँ कि मेरे इन-लॉज वेट कर रहे हैं घर में और मुझे पहुँचना है लंच तक. So अगर मैं उसको रोक रही हूँ तो मैं उसको कैसे मैनेज करूँ, that helps, you know, that is very important.
And कई बार तो ऐसे लगता है कि when you have worked as a teacher, so you also know the loopholes.
Yeah.
कि यहाँ पे हम लोग.
I can tell you.
Then you can catch them.
I can tell you, any teacher can be in the classroom for 30 minutes without teaching anything.
Right.
But she can show you that she is in the classroom and she is teaching.
Right.
But the output won't be anything. So that you know कि ये कैसे हो सकता है as a teacher, because you worked, so you know कि loopholes क्या.
Like you have been a principal, you have been in Dehradun for almost like more than 30 years here, and then you moved out to other state, Chhattisgarh. तो आपको क्या लगता है level of education in Dehradun?
There is no comparison. Dehradun education can't be compared with any state education, really. Dehradun में, at least in Chhattisgarh, what I have seen, even in Delhi, what I have seen. Chhattisgarh, I have granddaughters. They are going to the state's best school. In Raipur, Chhattisgarh, ICSE का वो सबसे अच्छा स्कूल है. But अगर हम कंपेयर करते हैं उसको देहरादून के एजुकेशन से, so there is no comparison. Dehradun education is much better than education in Chhattisgarh. So we are trying to bring it to
The other parts.
Raipur, and parents are very happy. What we are doing from the Poly Kids in Raipur, the parents are very, very happy. They have never seen working the pattern like this. They haven't seen the systematic way of doing things which we do here. It's
और फिर आप बता रहे थे कि वो बड़े schools भी they are copying your systems हैं?
They are most of the schools they are copying our systems. They are most of
और फिर
the
वो आपकी टीचर को भी ले जाएंगे?
वो टीचर्स भी हमारी ले लेते हैं. वो अभी उनका शुरू हो जाता है दिसंबर में. I don't know. We are a small school. We are only pre-primary. The schools are up till 12th. They are scared of us. They are like, you know, हमारा UDICE नंबर आ गया है, एफिलिएशन हो गया है. हमारे पेरेंट्स जब 6th में उनके पास जाते हैं आफ्टर 5th, तो उनको बोलते हैं आपके स्कूल से आए हो, ये तो एफिलिएटेड ही नहीं है, इनका तो कोई नंबर नहीं है. पेरेंट्स भी हमारे पास भागते हुए आता है कि मैम वो तो कह रहे हैं एफिलिएटेड नहीं है. फिर हमको उनको UDICE नंबर निकाल के देते हैं, हमारा एफिलिएशन हो चुका है.
Your husband is in merchant navy. आप सेल भी कर चुके हैं.
Right.
You know, when the wind starts blowing in a calm sea, पहले ripples आते हैं.
हाँ.
And then the small waves start और फिर heavy waves शुरू होती हैं. तो I feel this is just a ripple before the big
With which we are creating.
एजुकेशन स्टॉर्म. तभी तो वो बड़े बड़े स्कूल्स आपको देख के थोड़ा सा अरे क्या कर रही हैं मैडम.
You won't believe the decoration we do in school, the kind of pattern. हमारे जैसे नोटबुक्स जाते हैं, डायरी हम लिखते हैं, वो सब वो कॉपी कर रहे हैं. It's very strange कि इतने साल पुराना आपका स्कूल है और आप अभी मतलब अब नया हमें देख करके आप नया सिस्टम अपना चेंज कर रहे हैं. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी व्हाट वी आर डूइंग.
दैट मींस वी आर डूइंग समथिंग यूनिक. तो अभी काफी समय हो गया. You had your own school and then now the new building has come up, जो आपकी अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन है, बिगर बिल्डिंग. फिर आपका क्या कुछ प्लान है? You want to start few more centers of the Poly Kids?
Of course we are looking for more franchisee of the Poly Kids, of course, with the supportive team of the head branch here in Dalanwala. And I'm really very proud to say that all the staff here, I don't remember the names, from Divya ma'am to Captain Mahendru to Ranjana ma'am to Dipti ma'am, Sakshi, of course Kiran. I don't know the accounts department. Everybody is so supportive, and that's helping us. You know, franchisee branch in Chhattisgarh, which is, and we are running it very successfully. And we are looking forward to have more branches, of course, for sure.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Hope this ripple which you have created
and
spreads the big wave ocean in your full Chhattisgarh state. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your time and beautiful insights. और बहुत अच्छा आपने सबको जो भी information दी है. Thank you so much for all this.
Thank you.